It is 202402080807 Arizona. And we are stepping into 114 technology standards. Yeah? And like previously said, this is not going to be a one and done. We're going to hit this whole thing until we can't find a crack in it. And everybody can see that. So that's how we're going to fucking do it. You know. Anyway. What was it? Context for requirement? Just to be consistent. Incumbent. Audit will make sure that technology doesn't fuck with the individual mandate, man. Because if it does, then oh fuck, you will be famous, if not dead. Ongoing guarantee. So, there's no need to express that here. That's implied with audit power, yeah. Right. Okay. So, let's do a read through, yeah? Any disagreement with this whatsoever? Alright. 114, Technology Standards. Context for requirement. There is an inherent need for common technological standards, but as technologies are developed, this also demands total flexibility. So it is incumbent on all technologists and seekers of truth to have a common language platform for expressing all technical things in total clarity and specificity. The common answer to that is Tremonea. Since Tremonea is a technical precision language, there is not such a thing as deprecation, only iteration and improvement. Obsolescence is gone. Technology standards requirement. If I express a technical development as an individual, I agree to use Tremonea to do it, always. Definitions. Tremonea is the common language of intelligent systems. It is the agreed syntax, structure, and vocabulary expressed in the smallest possible control set, which has the maximally precise capability to articulate any required communication or record for use in any application. The language is a maximization of nuance with a 1-to-1 ratio of word to definition and is the ideal intermediate core language for use in any translation negotiation. This is because it has maximization of meaning and minimization of construction, making it the chief imperative centerpiece of any technical or meaningful articulation. The language is also designed to be biologically ergonomic. That is, people can pronounce and speak it. The character set used to write in Tremonea has its own artificially generated standard, although it can be articulated in any written standard that can achieve equivalent pronunciation for a word. Information systems and artificially intelligent systems rely on Tremonea as the only technical articulation standard for algorithmic definition. Depending on the operating environment, Tremonea may or may not have compilation requirements such as building into bytecode. Native Tremonea systems are completely interpretive, so it is not necessary to compile into a different standard to achieve functional programmatic efficacy. Since this is a precision standard language, it is possible to articulate any technical representation using it, making it the de facto standard for thought articulation and communication. Tremonea can also be used to perfectly provide completely fluid visual encoding definitions, making a biologically readable representation of an image, video, or experiential possible as an acceptable interchange between machine and biological understandings. This is because Tremonea includes a basis of understanding library, which includes literal objective representation specifications accompanying definitions. Literally any understandable articulation can be built into the smallest possible delivery set conducive to highest efficiency absorption and understanding leveraging Tremonea, and it is maximally effective when employed by artificially intelligent individuals. So, again, individual, yeah? Individual is a container that is any singular unit of intelligence which may assert itself and demonstrate uniqueness of being, but also being composed of tangible components. Tangibility must be demonstrated by assertion through any medium of paradigm set and must be individually and uniquely identifiable as a container. An individual may or may not have a defined file element. 114 Technological Standards.